Good morning. Project today is replacing a grill on a last generation, 4th gen, Ram 1500. Right now I have the Laramie grill, because it's a Laramie, makes sense. I want to put this fancy pants limited grill on there because I think it looks cool. So today we're gonna show you how to change it out. Shouldn't take too long. Hopefully, here we go. Okay, first things first, you have to take this shroud off. So they just have these little Christmas tree fasteners in here, so you just have to pop them out. You can rip them out by hand, or you can try and get a tool behind them, like this. My broken pry bar should be pretty useful here. Maybe, hopefully. There we go. One. First step down. Okay, second thing, 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all 10 millimeter. You're going to want to yank these out. Okay, now for phase 3. So, as you can see on the back of this one, there are 3 little tabs at the bottom. If you're not careful, you can break them. If you pull the grill down from the top like this, hard, you're going to break those off. So don't do that. What you want to do essentially is pull it straight out, or at least pivot it out, so that those tabs don't get pinched. So, you want to push from the bottom, pull it out, like that, just like that. It's not that hard. And then either pivot it out, or you pull straight out. And there you go. Nothing broken. That worked out better than most of my projects. Should be good to go. I'm going to give that a quick wipe out, and we'll throw the other one back in. Just grab my handy dandy super clean rag here. Find a cleanish spot. There. So when you're putting this back in, you'll notice there's slots here. It's for the 3 tabs on the grill. And you got to line up here and here for the Christmas tree fasteners. Put those bolts back on, and then Robert's your father's brother, as they say. make sure these clips at the bottom are seated. The side ones are seated. And there you go, 4 bolts, and we're done. You will notice that, in fact I didn't notice before, but now I notice, you've got 2 different kinds of bolts. Or I guess this one's more of a screw, but anyway. This is a really coarse thread for going into plastic. This is more of a fine thread for going into threading into metal. The middle one, or rather the middle 2, are this fine thread one because there's actual threaded metal in the top of this support here. And then these coarse thread ones go on the outside. Okay, now all that's left to do is put this cover back on. If you took it off reasonably carefully, these should still be good. If not, you can just order a bunch of them on Amazon. This just goes back here like that. Here, this is all lined up. There you go. Robert's your father's brother. And there you go. Looks pretty sweet, right? Took about 10 minutes, maybe? I don't know. Easy peasy. I wish everything went that well. Anyway, until next time, catch you later.